drawing of the amulet. Now to finally escape from this prison and collect all of the 9 gems. This path isn't on the map.
Get to Claw.
What a death trap.
I had a feeling that you would catch up to me. Come forth!
This looks challenging.
Amateur.
No.
Amateur.
Prepare for a watery grave, Marlow.
Go get him, Beaky.
Dead end.
Aha! Captain Claw! Ha ha ha!
Aha! The soon-to-be deceased Captain Claw.
Pathetic!
Go get him!
I'm hungry.
I've only got one shot at this.
Prepare yourself, pirate! I like you.
Dead end.
Aha, you old rascal!
I expected we would be together, Claw.
They'll never get me!
Captain Claw.
Oh, wise guy.
They'll never catch me!
Aha! Excuse me.
Defeat Leroux.
Phew, that was close.
It's payback time, Leroux.
There's got to be a way out.
Ha-ha! Take that, Magic Claw! Eat lead, scallywag! Scallywag! Landlubber! Landlubber! Chew on this! Chew on that! Whoa!
Don't waste my time. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the handsomest cat of all?
Hello? I'm in the middle of an adventure here. I don't have all day. Excuse me. I have someplace to go. Not this cat, Jack. Yes! Fire sword! Ha-ha! Frost sword! Ha-ha! Lightning sword! Ha-ha!
Hello! I'm not getting any younger. At least bring me something back from the kitchen.
I'm growing impatient.
I'm waiting.
Ooh, 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 ooh! The gems won't find themselves.
The amulet awaits.
Touché! Weakling!